Welcome back, my friends. Welcome back to beautiful sunny Toronto. December, sunny and going to be 13 today. Wow! Everything is so hard, so difficult in this world. And that's what we're going to talk about. On this channel, we talk about everything and anything that makes us not awesome, but the best freakingest awesome human beings ever. So hard. I am so hard. Oops, not me. I'm not hard. Everything is hard. Is it? Is it? Listen to this, my friends. Nothing in this world is hard. It's just different. Just different. You are not aware of living in a certain way. And when you're not aware, guess what happens? Everything is hard. Because you're living an ignorant life. Ignorance is not knowing. How does one become aware? Through understanding, through studying that subject. And you become aware. And then you must practice it. When you practice things, things become easier. And what's happening in that way of living? Life becomes an awesome place to live. But here's the thing. Things are only hard for people who are soft. Why don't you become harder than what you think is hard? Guess what? The hard stuff that you think is hard becomes easier. Whoa! Enlightenment. So here's the thing. Have big goals in your life. Whenever you think anything is hard, think bigger. Make those big goals in your life. When you make those awesome goals in your life, everything else underneath becomes easier. See, when you know who taught me this? Proctor. Bob Proctor, rest in peace, my friend. And his protégés now, Harash Vagassi, Andre D. Saxton, that's what his name. I'm learning these from all these gods that are on this earth. When you make that big type C goal, not something that you know how to achieve, but something you have no idea how you're going to achieve it, and you think from the end and make decisions from as if you are making that $100,000 a month now, and make decisions from those kinds of goals, everything else becomes easier. Fall in love with the process, and everything else becomes easy in your life. Because when you make those big goals in your life, you're vibrating at that level, because what you want is already there. It's already here. You're shooting for the stars. For the stars, and everything underneath is, guess what? Gravy. It becomes easier, because when you are at that thinking from that level, you're vibrating at that level. You're at that energy levels. And conditions, circumstances in your life will start changing in front of your eyes if you're observant. This is how it works. Nothing is hard. It's just a mindset. Your mindset is thinking everything is hard. What is mindset anyways? Mindset is how you see the world today. Create those big mindsets and surround yourself with those kinds of people in your life who think big. But here's the thing. You might say, hey, I don't have anybody like that in my life. You live, here's the thing, we live in the greatest era ever. Do you know that? Anything that you want is in your cell phone, is in your laptop, on your computers. Everything is there. You can surround yourself with people like that on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, on X. Think about that. Think about that. But guess what do most people surround themselves with? Losers. Oh, look at me. I'm driving a new car. Hey, look at me. I'm on a nice holiday. Choices, right? Choices. You have a choice today. I suggest to you today, start subscribing to great people with great thinking capabilities who are achieving great things in their lives, and surround yourself with them, and unsubscribe to all the people who spew out negativity, hate. Oh, look at me, envy, jealousy. Unsubscribe all of those people. And you will see your mind start shifting. You start thinking in a different level. Try it. Just try it. That's all I'm saying. Just try it. Nothing is hard in this world, my friend. It's just different. Everything is different. Until you become it, you become part of what you want in your life, and you become what you want, it becomes easy. Through practice. Always through practice. And the more repetition that you do, the easier it gets. That's all there is to it. This is how it works, my friends. This is how it works. Nothing is hard in this world. Nothing. Just a mindset. Everything's just different. Just is. I want you to try living this way. Use words that empower you. Use words that make you awesome, because words have power. Because your words in your speech goes to your mind. It is influencing your mind. Think about that. Your words, your speech are image of your mind. So if you want to change that image of your mind, change the words in the speech. Guess what? Reverse engineer it. This is how it works. Try it. Just try it. Don't trust this guy. All I say is try it. Because on this channel, I have never ever said I'm a guru at anything. I am not that smart. But I do follow other awesome people. And everything that I've learned myself on this channel, I'm sharing with you that I've learned from other great mind gods who have come on this earth to teach us. Like Bob Proctor, Tony Robbins, Harash Vagassi, Brian Tracy. Try it. And all those other people. Try it. Just try it. I want you to try this way of living. And you'll see how happy you become. So if you think I gave you value, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. If you think I didn't, hey, I try. I do my best. Live consciously, with purpose, in this moment now, and with freaking passion. So much passion that everything becomes so easy in your life. Because that's all it is. It's life. Just be happy now and just learn. One love.